Hey everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Boy 2 to 4 dinosaur theme, and I am doing this in collaboration with my friend Sharon over at East Coast Stories. I know that she is doing 2 dinosaur boxes for a girl, so I'm definitely looking forward to going over and checking out her girl dinosaur boxes. If you are coming over from her channel, thank you so much for giving me your time to look at my Boy 2 to 4 boy box. I will have her video linked in the description box as well as at the end of this video. I love Sharon's shoe boxes. I do a lot of collabs with her. We are good friends, and I really appreciate the effort that she puts into each of her boxes. So I'm very excited to do this with her, and like I said, I'm looking forward to going over and checking out her girl version of a dinosaur box. All right, so this is what his box looks like. I do have a little space here. I'm thinking about putting in a toy car, but if you have any other suggestions, go ahead and let me know. I think I could maybe even get a little something in here too. So if you have some suggestions after you see me unbox this, go ahead and let me know. But I think as of right now, I'm just gonna put in another toy car, like an orange and blue, because that is the theme of this box, is orange and blue and dinosaurs. All right, so his little tote, he can color this with markers. Now on the other side, there's a unicorn, but that's okay. Maybe he'll have a sister that likes to color it. You never know, but there are dinosaurs on the front of this one. And then I'll just pull out his orange peachy looking dinosaur. I picked this up at Dollarama. They are so soft. I wish you could feel this. It's very soft. And it's got a little bell inside of it. So this is his dinosaur friend. He's so cute. And then maybe I'll put him like this. Okay. Here is his pencil tin in that orange color. It says "You are roarsome." And then I did the different spelling of it here on his lid. It just says roar. So in his pencil tin, I gave him 4 of these jumbo Crayola markers. He has some dinosaur pencils in here, and also some of these nice orange triangular pre-sharpened pencils. They're really nice. And then an orange pencil, colored pencil here to go with the blue and orange theme. He has a sharpener with some stickers in here, inside of there, and then an eraser, more pencils, and then 2 packs of these 5-pack of crayons on the bottom here. And his cute pencil tin. And then I will pull out his baby doll. It's a orange and blue with dinosaur. I know that my son at this age loved playing baby dolls with his little sister. So hopefully, I know a lot of these kids, they do have siblings. So I hope he enjoys this baby doll. And to go with it, he has a bottle for the baby doll. But inside, there's a surprise. He's got 4 toy dinosaurs. I do believe they all stand. There. I think originally there was Play-Doh in this baby bottle. All right, he has a nice quality pair of flip-flops. I picked these up, I think a year and a half ago, and I believe they were like $5.97. I think these were normally like $20 sandals. Very nice quality, size 10-11 toddler. And then he has an orange basketball. I've given him this container. Inside, I put a couple of dinosaur stickers. These are like Pop-It stickers. Here. Here's a orange and blue car. I think this car is so cute. Like I said, I have that space. Maybe I'll try to get him another car. And then a compact mirror, nail clipper, and some soap. He has an extra sharpener here that was right underneath the orange basketball. And then a dinosaur toothbrush. I've given him a fun whistle. He has 2 pair of shorts that I picked up at Old Navy. I think these were like $1.20. Very inexpensive, size 4. The drawstring waist to tighten it. And these are like a soft sweatshirt type of material. And it's got dinosaur print on there in that blue color. And then another pair, again, I think these were like $1.20 at Old Navy. And I just put a couple of these little dinosaur notepads as a surprise in his pocket. And these are like a parachute type of material. So 2 pair of shorts. And then he has this canvas tote bag. Some markers for him to color the tote bag, the little pouch, or his tote. And then he has 2 pair of size 4 underwear. And I love these underwear because they provide a lot of coverage and they're nice quality. I'll just put these here. So 2 pair of shorts, 2 pair of underwear. He's got some more markers. And then I've given him this Blippi coloring book, and he's giving him 2 thumbs up. So hopefully that will make him happy. And some more Crayola markers. Inside, there's actually a lot of dinosaurs in this coloring book. Big pages to color. There's a maze, dinosaur maze, and then I've given him some sparkly dinosaur stickers in this big Blippi book. And then he has a 80-page notebook with a dinosaur pencil in the wire, a washcloth, orange dinosaurs on there, and a comb, and then a Christmas card that I will put our picture in and message, and I just thought he might appreciate that wintry Christmas scene. And that is my boy 2 to 4 dinosaur theme. So I hope you go over now to Sharon's channel if you haven't already and check out her girl dinosaur boxes. I cannot wait to see what she has in there because I have no idea what she's put in her box. So it'll all be a surprise to me. So thank you so much again for watching. I really appreciate the likes and comments that you give to. Again, I think I'm gonna add in at least 1 more car. If you have any other suggestions for little items I could put in here, go ahead and feel free to let me know. So I will have Sharon's box linked below and at the end of this video. So thanks again, and I will talk to you later.